Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be comparing and reviewing the Ford Bronco to the Jeep Wrangler. We're going to go over everything from engines, price point, miles per gallon, features, everything that you could want to know. And then at the end, I'll give you guys my opinion on which one I think is better. So let's get started. So the first category we're going to compare is price point. Now don't get me wrong guys, I totally understand that the market is insane right now. Prices are at an all-time high, demand's at an all-time high, and inventory seems to be at an all-time low. But here are the facts right now. A Jeep Wrangler baseline MSRP comes in at just under 30 grand at $29,995, whereas the Ford Bronco comes in at a starting MSRP of under $28,000, guys. According to cars.usnews.com, starting MSRP for a 2022 Ford Bronco is $27,265, about $2,000 less than the Jeep Wrangler. Moving on to fuel economy, this is going to be a pretty tight race. The Ford Bronco City is going to come in at 25 miles per gallon compared to its Jeep Wrangler counterpart at 22. However, the highway miles for the Jeep Wrangler comes in at 29, which is more than the Bronco counterpart at 28. Now, I don't know if the City is better in the Bronco because of the automatic start-stop feature that they have. It could be that the 2.3 or 2.7 liter engines that come in the Ford Broncos might be more fuel efficient. I know for me personally, I have a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine in my 2020 F-150, and I can attest for being a full-sized pickup truck with four-wheel drive, all that good stuff, it actually gets surprisingly really good mileage driving around city. Alright, but with all the boring crap out of the way, price, gas mileage, let's talk about the fun stuff. How fast can these things go? So before we talk about 0 to 60 times, I do want to put this disclaimer in there. I'm going to try and make this as good of an apples to apples comparison that I can, given that there are a lot of different trim levels, a lot of different engine options for both of these vehicles. In order to keep it as apples to apples as I can, I'm going to use the most common Jeep Wrangler you're going to see on the road being either a Sahara or a Rubicon. Those are more than likely going to be the most common types of Jeeps that you're going to see on the road, and I'm going to compare that to the 0 to 60 time and the quarter mile time of a 2021 Ford Bronco with a 2.7 liter V6 engine in it. Now, surprise, surprise again, the Ford Bronco takes the 0 to 60 time and the quarter mile time, not by a crazy large margin, but it does in fact win in both categories. The car that I told you I was going to compare, the 2021 2.7 liter V6 engine in the Ford Bronco, came in at a 6.3 0 to 60 second time and a quarter mile in 14.7 seconds. Now, comparing that to either the Sahara or the Rubicon of a Jeep Wrangler, it's going to come in at, for the Rubicon, you're looking at a 6.5 0 to 60 time. For the Rubicon, you're looking at a 7.6, which is actually, that would definitely be noticeably slower. However, the quarter mile time wasn't terrible. For the Rubicon, 15.1, and for the Sahara, 15.5. So not terrible, but again, the Ford Bronco, if you're noticing a pattern here, is starting to win out in all of these categories. This next part might be a little bit of a subjective opinion, but in what world is this better looking than this? So let me know in the comments down below, guys, which do you think is better? Is it the Ford Bronco that's brand new and super hot on the market right now, or is it the tried and true Jeep Wrangler, been around forever, will probably be around forever? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know if you want me to compare any other types of vehicles, again, in the first, going forward rather. I know I've done it in the past with like the Ford Maverick and the Toyota Tacoma. I compared those smaller to mid-sized trucks, and now I'm comparing these vehicles. If you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to make more of them for you guys in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate all of your guys' support, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace!